What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today I'm taking a look at the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K with all new Alexa voice remote streaming media player. So as of the recording of this video, Best Buy has it for $34.99. So come about getting this because I have 3 of these already, and I just recently bought a 4K TV, and I wanted to add one to that TV as well. And we're thinking seriously about cutting the cord and just going with streaming on all our TVs. So that's how I end up picking this up. Here's a few of the features and details. Now, this has been out for a while, but I'm just now picking it up. You can wireless stream movies, TV shows, sports, news, and more. Over 5,000, you can choose from over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Immersive entertainment, so you get 4K Ultra HD streaming up to 60 frames per second, HDR support. You can find content quickly with Alexa voice remote. This has a quad-core processor for powerful performance. Stream millions of songs. Switch seamlessly between your headphones and sound system. High-speed wireless connectivity, compatible with your existing HD TVs. No cable or satellite, no problem. So here are some of the subscriptions that you can get. You can watch your favorites like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV, HBO, and on and on. I'll leave the link in the description where you guys can go pick this up. I know I'm kind of late to the game, but just now getting a 4K TV, and this is going to be perfect. So this is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to probably try to show you guys how I set it up as well. So here's the box. As you guys can see, very colorful box. You got all of your different things you can watch here. Fire TV Stick 4K, brilliant picture, Alexa remote, 4K. Tells you what's all included right there. And then on the back, it just gives you some of that information that I just read off. So let's get into this box and see what we got here. So you got a nice little pull tab there. You don't have to have a knife. And let's see what we got. Very convenient. There's another little pull tab. That's nice. And that's all in the box. That is the content. We're going to lay the box right there. And nicely packaged here. So that is sweet how they did this. So you get your brochures, Firestick. And this is telling you what's in the box and different information there. There's some more information, literature, that I may have to read or maybe not. So you get your remote control here. So here's the remote. So you get your power button, you get your microphone there, your select button, your back button, home button, menu button, reverse, pause, fast forward, channel up and down, and you can mute it. So the remote is very nice. Looks similar to the ones I have. Here is the Firestick. Looks a little bit bigger than the one I had. The ones I have at least. So there it is. You have the little logo on there and some information there. You do get your little wall brick, and you get some batteries. 2 batteries. These are AAA batteries for the remote. And you also get your cable here. So you get a USB to a USB-A cable, and you also get a HDMI adapter. In case you cannot plug this into the back of your TV, then you will need that. And that is pretty much it in the box, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this goes. So this is you plug that in. This goes to your wall outlet. And this other end goes into your Firestick. like so. And then you take this in and plug it into the back of your TV, or you can use this extender to plug in if you don't have enough space. And then your batteries go in the back of your remote, like so. And there should be a, yeah, right there is telling you which way the batteries go. They go like so. Just like that. And then you slide it back on. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hooked up to the TV set and we'll check it out. All right guys, after going through plugging it in to the back of your TV, you go ahead and turn on the Fire Stick with the power button right here, and it'll set you, go ahead and go through the setup process of finding your Wi-Fi, signing into your Amazon account, things of that nature. So this is the stream you get to here. This is your start stream. And it's just a simple fact of going through and choosing what you want to stream or watch. And also you can go in and add different apps. As you can see, you can download Prime Video, YouTube, which I'll go ahead and see if I can download YouTube right now. Let you guys see just how fast this is as it starts to download, installing. And I can go ahead and open that up if I want. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. And see just how fast the 4K stick is. And there it is. I just need to sign into my Google account and I can go right into it. I'm going to skip that for now. And here I am on YouTube. So I can watch anything I want. So I'm gonna go home, hit the home button. So you got a whole host of things, and this is gonna look dope on this 65-inch TV. I'm gonna go ahead and download Pluto TV, which is a streaming service as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it. But yeah, guys, this is the 4K stick, Amazon Fire Stick that you can pick up. Gonna see if I can stream some 4K and see how good it looks. So let's go back to YouTube and see if we can play a little 4K video sample here and see how it looks. So let me go ahead and search for it. Let's go down. Comes up in your suggestions over there. So let's go ahead and just play one of these. And so there's some 4K goodness on the 55-inch TV here. I'm trying to see if I can get the resolution here. Yeah, so it's in 4K. Here it is, guys. Let's see just how good this looks. Now it's going to depend on your display, but wow, that looks very, very good right there, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. So this is going to be enjoyable using this with my 4K set. Wow, that is awesome looking there. I don't know if it's coming across on camera or not, but all right, guys, that is a look at the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.